how to use star codes in Roblox. So if you want to use star codes in Roblox, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Roblox application. Now once you're on the main page of your Roblox, click on the Robux button, which is on the top, and you'll be able to see the balance here. If you'd like to get or use the star codes, then you need to scroll down and you'll notice the add a star code option. On the bottom, as you can see, that you will have, tap here to add a star code. Click on it and a box will appear where you can enter your star code. For example, I'll just go and enter something and go with add and try to purchase any Robux package. It will only cost you less than the actual package. Select your account, click on buy, and your new Robux balance will be updated. That's how you can add a star code or use a star code in your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.